The world of work is changing faster than ever before, thanks to AI and advanced robotics. Various studies indicate that many jobs will be displaced in the next few years. So, how can you prepare and make sure that you thrive in the age of technological exponential growth? First of all, the ability to adapt is crucial. Learning new skills and becoming competent at solving unique problems is your best bet. Another key aspect is avoiding skills that AI can easily replicate. Also, focus on making the lives of other people better. Think about a nurse caring for a patient. Robots can monitor vital signs, but they can't offer a human touch, compassion, or empathy in the way that we can. Well, not yet anyway. Trust is also key. People are more likely to trust a human than AI in many cases. Scarcity is another important factor. A painting by a famous artist is valuable because it's unique. AI can create amazing art, but it can't replicate the story behind a masterpiece. As AI becomes more advanced, we need to focus on the things that make us uniquely human. Our empathy, our ability to build relationships and trust is extremely hard to replace. Innovation, human creativity, and being able to adapt quickly will set you up for a bright future. So, just breathe and embrace what is to come. Learn, adapt, and focus on adding value to everything you do. By doing so, you can thrive in the age of AI. Take the next step and go to the AI section on the Tools for Teens platform to learn more. We'll see you there.